Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first one involves someone adding some wood to the side of their kitchen cabinets. I love this idea, really elevated the space. And then we have someone trying out the IKEA hack. So this one involves painting the wall. She ended up doing the corner space, adding some mirrors. And I really love the way that this turned out. It really just elevated the room, made it look so elegant. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. And then we have some type of furniture built here. Looks like they're doing a headboard or a bed frame. So this to me looks like some type of like pizza design. This is just like really interesting, like wow. Oh, it's a couch. Oh wow, a pizza couch. Oh, that is cool. Now this would definitely have to be for somebody who has a very unique style to their home, because this is just crazy cool. Very nice. Kind of reminds me of the 80s a little bit. Oh, it looks like we have another IKEA furniture hack here. She's doing something else with mirrors. Oh, she's making like her own built-in. Oh, this is cool. Oh, wow, the little wooden pieces. Painting it. This is really pretty. It's amazing how you can just get like ordinary pieces or basic pieces from IKEA and upgrade them with something that looks a little bit more high-end. She did an amazing job on this. Wow, it easily looks like it could cost like $1,000, because mirrors can definitely be pricey. Some navigator friendly accent walls. Ooh, okay, I'm really intrigued by this one. Board and batten. This is the one I like, the tall board and batten. Oh wow, that just elevates the space so much. This one too, with the geometric wall, and I love how you can paint it. Not really a fan of the faux brick panels. Bedboard paneling. Vertical slant wall. Sharpie chevron. That looks nice in the bathroom. But definitely so many different ways that you can play around with your space when it comes to that. Like really cool. I think the geometric is definitely my favorite. Make your home look expensive. I think the railing, the glass railing itself makes the home look expensive, honestly. So basically what she's doing with this is just getting a bigger piece of artwork. That definitely upgraded the space. Wow. It's so amazing how like one small little change can just elevate the room. Okay, it looks like someone is doing some type of... Oh, Oh, she's making like a domino or dice inspired ottoman. Yeah, it's like a dice inspired ottoman. Wow, this is really cool. Very unique piece for the home for sure. It looks like it's pretty comfortable too. Okay, so we have some type of table here. Oh, way, wow. Great way to modernize. I'm not sure what this style is called. I feel like it's on the tip of my tongue. Like I should know what this is. Oh, wow. What an upgrade. That looks absolutely amazing. And then we have a dollar store DIY. Oh, she added the gold tape to it. Oh, she's probably making a shelf of some sort. I think honestly, this would have looked better without the gold foil. I think if she would have just left it silver, it would have looked a little bit better. Oh, they made a nice little vase. Wow, very pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all these DIY projects spotted within today's video and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.